Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering source files and importing them into your editor so you can work cleanly. First, make sure you have the original video plus any isolated music stems or dialogue tracks. This prevents new artifacts. Once imported, label tracks clearly, dialogue, ambience, music, so you don't accidentally process the wrong element. Next, set project sample rate to match originals and create a versioned backup. This prevents accidental loss and gives you a rollback point if an edit goes sideways. Now you balance and carve out space so music supports rather than competes. You'll normalize dialogue to a steady LUFS target, then shape the music with subtractive EQ, reduce 200 to 500 Hz mud, and gently lower frequencies that clash with the voice. Once done, set up sidechain ducking or manual automation so music dips when dialogue is present. A 3 to 6 dB reduction is a good starting point. Make gradual changes and listen in context. Small moves often fix big problems. Finally, you polish and deliver a clean mix that translates. Apply subtle bus compression and a limiter to control peaks while preserving dynamics, and export with appropriate metadata and format. Once exported, test on headphones, phone, and TV to confirm balance across systems. Make small automations if one device exaggerates bass or sibilance. If you hear pumping, clicks, or artifacts, stop. Revert to your backup. Increase buffer/CPU settings, or render stems separately and reassemble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.